Step inside Kylie Jenner's $70 million all-pink garage, where every car is a statement, every detail screams glam, and luxury meets a shade of pink you've never imagined. Kylie Jenner lives a life many only see online. She builds brands, she posts pictures, she makes headlines. Her style is bold and loud. Her cars match that vibe. People love to talk about Kylie's cars. Videos show shiny chrome and bright wraps. Fans count models and guess prices. Social posts call her garage a pink paradise. Some stories even put a huge number on the whole collection. That number floats around like a rumor. It sounds wild, it sounds fun. But what is true and what is hype? Kylie's fame gives every car a spotlight. A wrapped hood, a custom interior, or a pink trim can go viral. When she posts a mirror selfie by a G-Wagon, fans notice. When she shares a clip of a pink Rolls, people scream. That attention makes the cars part of her brand. It also makes rumors grow fast. Let's start with money. Kylie's net worth is large, but reports vary. Recent coverage pegs her net worth in the high hundreds of millions. She made a fortune from cosmetics, deals, and social power. Those funds allow big buys and bold customization. That economic power fuels the garage talk. Now the cars. Kylie owns several high-end vehicles. Some are on public record or in photos. Fans know the big names. A Bugatti Chiron, a custom pink Rolls-Royce, and a few Mercedes G-Wagons. She also shows off SUVs and luxury family cars. The Bugatti Chiron is a headline grabber. It costs millions and signals extreme taste. The pink Rolls-Royce is one of the most talked about pieces. Kylie calls it her mom car in social posts. It has been customized in soft pink with plush interiors. That car pulls double duty. It shows style and family life at once. Fans love the contrast, fierce fashion and a cozy family vibe. The G-Wagon is another signature ride. Kylie owns multiple G-Class models with unique wraps. One matte or velvet wrap becomes a fashion moment. The G-Wagon blends power and glamour. It fits the needs of a celeb who moves fast between events, shoots, and family time. Let's talk numbers. Some creators and outlets have estimated Kylie's garage value in many ways. A few viral videos claim figures as high as tens of millions or more. Others estimate lower totals near the multi-million mark. The truth is messy. Values shift with custom work, market rarity, and whether you count replacements and upgrades. Reliable outlets and car experts often give more modest estimates than viral clips. Kylie also rewraps and restyles cars. That matters a lot in value. A car wrapped in velvet, chrome, or candy pink can feel brand new. Custom interiors and bespoke trim raise the price. But wraps and trims do not always change the base market value the way a rare factory model would. Many influencers swap looks for content. That can make a collection look bigger than it is. Public sightings and photos are key proof. Paparazzi snaps show her driving certain models. Instagram posts and stories reveal others. A few cars appear repeatedly, which suggests a stable core fleet rather than a huge vault. The repeated cars often include an Escalade, a G-Wagon, a Rolls, and the Chiron. That mix covers family needs, fashion shots, and supercar thrill. Collectors and experts note one big point: rarity drives price. A limited Bugatti or Koenigsegg is worth far more than a wrapped SUV. Some lists claim Kylie owns ultra-rare models, but many of those claims lack direct proof, like purchase invoices or registration ties. The car world respects auction records and VIN traces. Without those, the rarities remain speculative. Customization shops also play a big role in Kylie's garage story. High-end coaches and wrap houses work fast for celebrities. They create unique colors, plush interiors, and bespoke logos. That makes each Kylie car a mini showpiece, but it also makes valuation tricky. A custom job might cost six figures, yet the car's resale may not reflect the full customization price. Custom work is about presentation and brand, not always long-term market value. Family needs shape choices too. Kylie has a young child and a family life in Los Angeles. That changes what cars she keeps. She needs secure, roomy vehicles for school runs and privacy. That is why you see big SUVs and armored-style rides in her posts. These choices mix motherhood with celebrity life. Fans respond to that blend of glamour and real life. Social media magnifies everything. A single TikTok or Instagram reel can make a car trend worldwide. Fans screenshot, repost, and debate values. Channel creators then produce deep dives and price lists. These quick cycles fuel the legend of a $70 million or $100 million pink garage. The numbers spread faster than verification. View counts drive rumors more than documents. Security and privacy complicate proof. High-profile owners often register cars via trusts or private companies. They use private storage and limited public exposure. That protects assets and family safety. It also hides ownership trails. So even if Kylie had a back room of rare cars, the public might not see clear records. That ambiguity feeds speculation. There is also a practical business angle. Kylie promotes beauty, fashion, and lifestyle. Candy-colored cars make great visuals for campaigns. They serve marketing goals. A pink Rolls or a custom G-Wagon appears on stories and earns engagement. That is advertising in auto form. In that sense, the cars are tools for influence and revenue, not only private toys. How does the public figure react to this attention? Kylie leans into it selectively. She posts polished shots and keeps some moments private. This balance builds mystique. Fans get curated glimpses, not full inventories. The result keeps interest high and the rumor mill spinning. Media outlets often differ on totals. Some list Kylie's collection as worth millions. A few sensational creators push larger numbers. The sensible view sits between. Her confirmed cars and the cost of customization do make for a pricey stable. But the viral $70 million pink vault number is not backed by a single public inventory or verified bill of sale. Still, the pink theme is real and deliberate. Kylie uses pink as a personal brand hue. It matches her beauty line and visual identity. Pink cars tie directly into an aesthetic she sells. That cohesion between products and personal image is smart branding. So what's the real story? Kylie owns a tight fleet of high-end cars. She customizes them often. She posts them widely. They serve style, content, and family needs. Some cars are undeniably pricey. Some claims of ultra-rare models remain unproven. The roar of social media makes the collection sound larger than the verifiable facts support. At heart, the garage says something about modern fame. It shows how objects can be both personal possessions and marketing tools. Kylie's pink cars feed fans and push engagement. They keep her brand visible and aspirational. Whether the full total hits $70 million or not, the visual impact is priceless. Here's a key takeaway. Kylie has high-end cars that include a Bugatti Chiron and a custom pink Rolls-Royce. Her fleet often features multiple Mercedes G-Wagons, many customized or wrapped. Viral estimates of a $70 million garage are largely unverified and driven by social amplification. Also, Kylie's net worth sits in the high hundreds of millions, which supports expensive cars and custom work. And that's Kylie Jenner's $70 million all-pink garage, a true mix of luxury, style, and unapologetic glam. Which car was your favorite? Drop it in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss our next celebrity garage tour.